Arrive in style with this GMC 2021 Sierra 1500 AT4. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment Group 4SB, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, 18x8.5 machined aluminum wheels, front bucket seats, perforated leather appointed front seat trim, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar, off-road suspension and radio, premium GMC infotainment system with multi-touch. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.